Poke salad, poisonous if not prepared right. Woo, I'm gonna get into this. I've just been out in my garden. This is a big bunch of poke salad. That's P-O-K-E-S-A-L-L-E-T. I grew up with this. It is poisonous. You have to be very careful in how you prepare poke salad. There's a lot of guidelines. We're gonna discuss it as I work through cooking a big mess of poke salad. If you're new to my channel, I'm Ransom. Hello, poke salad, we're doing it now. I'm gonna wash this over at the sink. We're gonna get it cleaned up. You wanna make sure all of this is thoroughly rinsed, and then we're gonna go into the preparation and cooking process. Don't go anywhere. You're gonna wanna stick around for this Depression era delicacy. Plus, this has kept many people fed through tough times. I know you're gonna wanna hear about this plant. You're gonna wanna see how it cooks. There's just so much to get involved with here. It's more than meets the eye. Poisonous poke salad. I'm just gonna take my knife and cut this. If the stalk gets too red, you wanna stay away from it. And we're just gonna use the most tender leaves here. And then we're gonna thoroughly give these a rinse, probably a couple of rinses. This would be fibrous. This is a little bit too tough for me. This kind of feels fibrous. You can tell that you probably would not want to bite into that. So we're going to continue to process and rinse all of this and get it ready to be cut, because I will be cutting this to put it into the pot. Don't go anywhere. The poisonous plant is going to come to life and be edible and delicious. You're going to want to see this. I'll be right back. Washed and cleaned my poke salad. And I'm just gonna cut a few of these tips off and discard of those. I don't want anything tough and fibrous. You know, really, poke salad, when times were tough, you know, mainly the late 1800s, the early 1900s, the Great Depression, people turned to poke salad. It signaled the seasonal change because this crop came in early. It didn't really require any type of maintenance. It did not need fertilizer. It grew in poor soil in areas where other crops would not thrive. Poke salad thrived. My grandmother and grandfather, they were Victorians. My grandfather was born in the 1800s. They often would gather poke salad, and my grandmother just loved it. She absolutely loved it. Now I'm just gonna chop this. I'm giving it a rough chop, and that way I can pop it into my pot and it will cook down, because remember, this could give you diarrhea, stomach cramps, any number of symptoms that you don't want if this is not properly prepared. My grandmother was just so good. She was just pro level at knowing how to prepare this stuff, and she would turn these poke salad leaves into just a beautiful, delicate thing. Now, I wanted to show you the stalk again. This stalk is green, and you want to be sure that you pull your poke salad leaves before the stalk turns red, before the berries start to come onto the plant, and do not eat the berries. They simply are not good for you. They're not anything that you would want to consume. And this, although I could probably cook this down, it's a little bit too fibrous for me to want this. So it's going into the recycle bin. All right, now I'm gonna pull, let's see how much I've got of this. I'm gonna pull my scales over. We're gonna zero this out. And I've got this in grams. Let me tear this, get it down to 0, and then let's put this poke salad in. Now remember, I'm gonna cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. I wanna bring it to a boil, and we're gonna do this 3 times. So I'm putting it into my pan. We're gonna cover it with water, and then we're gonna continue to cook it an additional 3 times. So this will come to a boil. I will let it boil for 10 minutes. And I'm just reiterating here because this is really important. You do not want to eat this plant unless it's properly prepared. Poisonous. So that's 299 grams. And let's just say 300 grams. And I do have some extra here if I wanted it. Gonna boil it 10 minutes, take it and rinse it thoroughly with fresh running water. We're gonna put it back on the stove, boil it again, rinse it, and then do that 3 times. I'm gonna get this on the stove, I'm gonna show you this cooking, and we'll work through it. This will be delicious once I get done. You're gonna love it. All right, I'm gonna leave that on high. I'm gonna put that on, and then we're gonna cover this in water. Now I have here hot water in my kettle. I want that thoroughly covered, and we're gonna let that come to a boil. About 10 to 15 minutes. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna let that just stay on the stove and a rolling boil. Now, as you can see, this has come to a rolling boil, and we want this to stay here for at least 10 minutes. And we're gonna repeat the process. And you will hear me just repeat some of these instructions because it's so important that preparation is done correctly. With this wonderful, fantastic dish, poke salad. This was North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, several of the southern states. You would find this to be a staple in the spring. Such a phenomenal dish, and we're going to be taste testing this. And we're going to be making a recipe that was often served. So you're going to want to stay with me because you're going to want to see how this all turns out. Now we want to thoroughly rinse the poke salad and just make sure that water runs freely over all the poke salad and that we're draining it. This is an important step. This is going to release those poisons out of the plant, and it's the process to making this edible, and it is becoming a southern dish that you're going to love. Let's put this back into the pot. We'll be repeating this process 2 more times. So this will boil for another 10 minutes. My poke salad is done. This has been cooked and rinsed 3 times. And be sure to refer to my recipe because I will put that in the description down below. This is a delicacy in the South. And just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some hot sauce. This poke salad is ready to eat. Some people boil this twice. I do it 3 times. Some people definitely could be more sensitive to poke salad. So just try a little bit if you're trying it the first time. But remember, you must prepare this correctly. Otherwise, this is poisonous. You could get very sick from eating this if it's not been prepared correctly. Poke salad. Let's give it a taste. Earthy, flavorful. I'm definitely going to ramp this up to the next level. We're going to make this a true Southern dish. Come hang out with me for part 2 of poke salad. We're going to turn it into a treat from the Smoky Mountains. I'm Ransom Ryder. If you're new to my channel, be sure you come back because we're going to be doing stuff like this more. I guarantee it. It's going to be a ton of fun. I'll see you soon. Bye. Poke salad. Don't miss it. I've got everything ready for the next recipe. Don't miss out. It will be in a separate video. Bye.